In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a resource page in Podia. First, open your site builder. Inside Podia, head to Website and select Edit Site. This takes you to the visual editor where you'll build the page that curates all your helpful links, downloads, and tools in one place for your audience. Next, create the page itself. In the site builder, open the page navigation menu at the top left. Then click the plus icon labeled New Page. This gives you a blank custom page to work with. Give it a clear title so visitors immediately understand what they'll find here, like resources or tools and downloads. Now, start adding sections to the page. Hover over the canvas where you want a new block to appear and click the plus icon. Choose the section types that make sense for your resources. A text section is great for an introductory paragraph, category headings, or a simple list of links. An image section helps you add icons or previews that make your page more visual and scannable. Use button or link sections when you want visitors to click through to an external resource, a course, a tool, or a hosted file. Populate each section using the Content tab. Add concise descriptions, paste in links, and include any file URLs you want people to access. Then open the Design tab to fine-tune the layout, spacing, and colors so the page matches your branding and remains easy to read. Repeat this process, adding as many sections as you need until every guide, PDF, tool, course, or external link is represented. If you're offering downloadable assets like PDFs or templates, create a digital download product in Podia and upload the files there. On your resource page, link your buttons to the checkout or access page for that product. If you want the resource to be free, set up a free digital download product so people can grab it without friction. Keep everything organized. Use clear headings to group content into categories like guides, templates, or video tutorials. If you have a lot to share, consider layouts that naturally create a grid or list so each item shows its name, a short description, and a simple download or open button. Consistent labels and short summaries help visitors find what they need fast. When you're happy with the content and design, click. Publish in the site builder to take the page live. Finally, copy the page URL so you can link to it from your site navigation, emails, and anywhere else your audience will discover it.